This is from the company makers of LLNDEI, 63-piece socket set, 1/4. Metric from 4 to 15 millimeters. Comes in a nice carrying case. It has a clip that opens up. Has a very secure locking system. Opening up the product, you have some foam to protect from looseness, a guide and tips how to use your unit. During shipment, parts may come loose. They simply fit into their spots. From a 4 millimeter to 15 millimeter small size sockets and long sockets 4 through 15 millimeters with the 1/4 ratchet and a universal joint, the screwdriver handle with the socket, and a drill extension. A drill is not recommended for the product on most parts, so please be careful how you use your unit. The tips are, please do not use a drill. You have all these bits here from different sizes and lengths, as you can read on the part. You have Phillips screwdrivers, flat screwdrivers, Torx, and more. We're going to demonstrate with a bit, a hex bolt, the socket that the hex bolt fits into, and the handle that locks into place. If need, the ratchet that you could simply transfer over the part onto the ratchet by pressing in the button and locking in. For small areas of interest like a hex bolt to tighten up, you have a switch that goes for counterclockwise and clockwise to tighten up your handlebar, your stem. And if you just need to use the handle itself, you could switch over and do so. You change out the bits for the other one and simply place over and tighten up. Screwdrivers. Grab the ratchet, grab an 8 millimeter, place on, and look at your fan. It's very simple to grab, loosen up, and remove parts. Where long sockets are needed, they fit over and very easy to apply. The LLNDEI, if you need just simply a socket kit to do those general needs of maintenance, to fit this different size sockets and all, up to a 15 millimeter. Small projects where you need to have a Phillips screwdriver, you take one out and grab a Phillips and tighten down. Easy to put away. The parts you take out, they have their own specific slots, and close up. The LLNDEI comes with just about everything you need to do your job, from 4 to 15 millimeters, small socket, large socket, universal adapter, the ratchet, a handle, the attachment, and a drill attachment with a number of different size bits, screwdrivers, Phillips, hexagons, and more. You're given a 72T ratchet, hex bolt bit from H3 to 8, a PZO 1 through 3, the T8, 9, 10, 15, and more. The SL3 through 8, and a universal adapter. This is a heavy-duty, high-temperature treated CRV metal. I hope you enjoy your LLNDEI toolkit, household, and automobile needs for your indoor and outdoor project. If you are interested in this kit, check online for further details about the make and models the company offers. I hope you enjoy your product, if this is right for you.